еще такое?
This is a combination bottle lock. It can be opened with a toothpick. Make a mark for educational purposes minus extra girthy. Insert the toothpick to the right of the code wheel and start dialing. The toothpick will drop down once the true gate is found. Do the same thing on the second code wheel. The toothpick will drop again once you find the true gate. And let's do the same on the third code wheel. Keep on scrolling. And now we found the true gate. Subtract 3 from all numbers, and then you will get your combination. The combination is 0, 0, 0. Enjoy.